Welcome to BrilliantIT. Today show you how to add permanent signature and photo in Gmail address. So it's very easy. I show you some tricks. Also in a bonus I will show you how to add your website address in your signature. So let's check it out. First you go to the setting option here. In a setting option you have to click see all settings. It takes time, it's depend on your computer speed. So after that you have to click general. Okay, you have to click in general, then scroll down. Here is it. I find out this one. You need to find out signature option. Here is no signature at the moment. I need to create signature. So create signature, my name, I write it down my name. Okay, then I click create. So in here I give my signature address. Okay, so first of all run a computer zone, then give my number, is my number. Then if you want to insert your web page address you can add here. Okay, so I show you now how to add this one. So first of all I check out my web page address. Okay, Rana CMPUT Rana computer zone, Rana computer zone dot b blogspot.com. This my web page address. I copy and you need to insert this one link. There is option in link, click in here. So I paste in here web address, I click here. So write it down here, text display, text to display you need to write it down what kinds of text is display. Rana computer zone web, Rana computer zone, Rana computer zone web. Okay, then click here. So I copy it, I cut this one and paste after Rana computer zone. Okay, so if anybody click here, straight go to my website address. So like that. Now you need to customize this one. My name Rana Khan, I need to customize this one, bold, then I use this one. You can change the color as well, so it's look very smart at the moment. Into color I choose this color. So you need to choose and customize everything, customize all letter, all everything. Okay, so it's depend on your choice. Like that. Okay, then you need to go down and save change, save change. After few seconds it will change. These settings appear in your site. So if you want to compose now, first of all write it down to any email address, then give me subject documents, and if you need here you see nothing, no signature here, but you have to click here. You have to insert signature. In the signature I created Rana Khan. Click here and appeared like that. Boom. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.